Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Pluck a Christmas tree. Are you kidding me? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel in a positive way. Thank you to everyone who's bought me a coffee, all of my monthly club members. Thank you all so much because you really do help me to keep this channel running. Now, pluck a Christmas tree? Absolutely. Guys, I was not kidding. In the Dollar Tree and maybe other stores that you go to, they have these really inexpensive Christmas trees. This one is $1. Now this particular tree is about a foot tall and it's kind of skimpy, so you would really need to group several of them together to have the fullness of a cute Christmas tree. But y'all know me, I'm not using this tree for that. So today I'm going to show you how to pluck a Christmas tree, and tomorrow I am going to show you what we do with what we plucked. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to get started. All right, y'all, so here is our Christmas tree. I am going to go ahead and open it and take it out. And it's just a mini Christmas tree. Like I said, it's about a foot tall. If you were to use it as a Christmas tree, it comes with a nice, cute little stand that you can put together if you wanted to set this out. But when you look at it, when it's opened, it's very, very sparse and skimpy. So you can join a couple of these together to get a fuller look, but you can also do what I am about to do here, which is pluck a Christmas tree. It really is very simple, because when you look at how this tree is constructed, it looks like this green stuff on the inside is just some type of ribbon that is just wound and wound, and as they go up and wind, they put in a branch or two, wind some more, put in a branch. So we don't want that middle part, and I'm just going to pull and pluck. Now the Dollar Tree also sells some garland pieces that you can buy separately, but I like these pieces, and the reason why I like them is because they come in various sizes, so you can see just how easy it is to pluck this tree. Now you can see that I plucked it in stages, and I started at the bottom. You can probably start at the top, but what I discovered is if I start at the bottom, it really starts to loosen that ribbon, and it does look like just some fine curling ribbon. And that makes it easier for me to move up on the tree to pluck the tree. This is probably a little bit like plucking feathers from a chicken. And y'all, I wouldn't know anything about plucking feathers from a chicken because I've never done it. But I've seen it done on TV, so that's why I'm saying I think this might be a little bit like that. Now this last piece is actually pretty stuck, so I'm not going to worry about that. But now I do have all of this beautiful greenery that I can use in a craft. I didn't show this in my Dollar Tree haul because I had these from last year. My sister and I were going through my Christmas craft tote, and they were in there, so I thought I'd pull them out and use them. But I also know that they still sell these. So when you're in the Dollar Tree, grab some of these Christmas trees, because we're not going to use them as a Christmas tree. As you can clearly see here, I have so many pieces that I am going to turn into a project that is going to blow you away. I don't say that lightly. Tomorrow's project is going to be fabulous. Trust me, you're going to love it. So make sure that you have this greenery, some of the Dollar Tree chopping mats or something similar, and some of those fairy lights, because y'all, we are going to do that thing. So I hope to see you back tomorrow, but as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.